In college algebra, we made some more progress with combinations of functions. I believe we left off with number 4 on Friday. So we did part A. Part B, we're going f of x times g of x. So I write function f with parentheses and g with parentheses, and I distribute. So we're going to go 2x times that, times that, times that. Let's go back to red. And then we're going to go -1 times that, times that, times that. So be really careful with your exponents and with your signs. You may be doing or understanding the math perfectly, but you want to go slow with your signs so you don't mess up. Now just combine like terms. I don't see another cubed, so 2x cubed. I can go 2x squared minus x squared and get x squared. -4x minus x is -5x, and plus 2. On part C, we're dividing the two functions. So we're writing f of x up top and g of x on the bottom, and we're going to cancel out common factors. In other words, factor top and bottom. So function f is 2x minus 1. Function g is x squared plus x minus 2. Check both for a GCF, and I don't see a GCF. Up top, I don't see an x squared, so that's as far as that one goes. On the bottom, we're looking for two numbers that multiply to -2 but add up to 1. And that would be +2 and -1. Unfortunately, we don't have any common factors. So by common factors, I mean if you have any blank space on your paper, if we had a different problem that looked like this. So for example, if we had that and we had that, and we go to divide the two, we have a common factor that we can cancel out. So those would cancel, and our answer would be this. But that doesn't happen on that red problem over there, so you're just done. So you're looking for common factors you can cross out so you can simplify, and that was as far as you could take it. On number 5, we have a applied problem, and we're going to give this a shot. X resembles number of years after 2008. So I'm going to write that, get it out of the paragraph. X is years after 2008. Y, the f of x and the g of x, is the profit in millions. So on part A, it wants us to find the slope and describe it. Both of those functions look like slope-intercept form, so we can be confident that slope for f is -0.44. Right there. Back in Algebra 1, you probably learned slope is rise over run. or change in y over change in x. I need a fraction, and I don't have a fraction. So what I tell people to do is put that slope over 1 and describe it in terms of x and y. So I would say for location F, there is a decrease. We're going to talk about y, remember, of 0.44 million in profit for every 1 year after 2008. Maybe hit pause and try and do the same with function g. We're going to put it over 1 for location g. There is a, this time it's going up, right? Increase of 0.51 million in profit for every 1 year after 2008. For part C, we're going to go F plus G. So we are going to write F, negative 0.44x plus 1362 plus, we're going to add G's function to it, 0.51x plus 11.14. So we end up combining like terms. Negative 0.44 plus 0.51 is positive 0.7x. 13 and 11 is 24.76. And it wants us to do the slope thing again. So slope is different now. It's 0.7. And we're talking about for all the locations. So the department store, just in general, has a 0.07 million in profit. Oops, I didn't say increase. Sorry. Let's back up. Thought that looked weird. $0.07 million in profit for every 1 year after 2008. All right, that's as far as we went on Monday. I will see you later. Bye.